you guys so much for tuning in today. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I will jump right into this recipe. I'll be showing you guys how I make my smoked fish, or how I smoke my mackerel fish in the oven. Yeah, so let's go get started. Okay. So I'll show you guys how I make my smoked fish. So let's go ahead and get all the testers out. So I'll cut this open that way. Okay. So we pick up the fish. So just like that. So you take the tail, go right in. Go right into the mouth and then bring it out, just like that. So I think this can hold this up. But if you want to put two, you can go ahead and put two. So I'll just leave this way. So I'm using a toothpick, a regular toothpick, to hold the fish together. So it's pretty easy to bend. So remember, we have to go through the mouth, go through like that. Like that. So these are my fish. So the fish is ready. So go ahead and put this in the oven to smoke the fish. So if I have like a wood, like a firewood, I would probably love to like do this on a raised smoke, like the way we do it in Nigeria. So but right now I'm gonna be doing this in my oven. Yeah, so we'll have to like deal with what we have, right? Yeah, so I'll go ahead and put this in the oven, guys. So I'll put it back there. So I already preheated my oven before now, so the oven is ready to go. So right now I will go ahead and leave the fish in the oven for like 20 minutes. I don't know if I should say the fish is being baked or being smoked, because on a normal circumstances, like regular way to do this smoking is like on a real smoke, on a real firewood with a smoke on it. So but since we're here, we're using an oven to do this, so I don't know the right word to use for this fish, if it is baked or smoked. So whatever it is, as long as I get what I'm looking for, I'm good. So guys, I will leave that to bake, to smoke for 20 minutes. Then I'll come back to see how it looks. If it's ready, then we are good. But if I need more time, then I will leave it alone in the oven. So but for now, while that is going on, I will go ahead and clean up my sink. Yeah, I'll clean up my sink. Okay guys, it's been like 20 minutes now, so I'll go ahead and check the fish to see how far it's going. Okay.
Oh my goodness.
So it's not ready yet, so I will go ahead and put this back in the oven for another 20 minutes or 25 minutes. And I'll come back to show you guys. So it has been there for 20 minutes. I'll go ahead and give it another 20 minutes, then I'll come back. Okay guys, let's take a look at the fish to see how that fish is doing. Okay, let me bring this closer. This fish is pretty done. I kind of switched the pan, the other pan I had it on, kind of switch it up because we're kind of causing a lot of smoke. So I have to take that out and put it on this one, open off, and then bring this closer. I hope you can see that. And I'm making soup that I'll be using this fish for the soup. If you want to see the recipe or the video for this soup, look at how nice that soup is looking. So you don't want to miss that. So make sure you subscribe and click the notification bell, so you know when I post this delicious soup that I'll be making with this fish. Okay guys, that's it for today. I hope you guys enjoy this smoked fish recipe. Okay guys, this is the end of the recipe for the smoked fish. So this is the smoked fish right here. So you can see, let me just pick it up. So it looks so nice, well smoked. So, and I'll be making my soup, my okasi soup with this fish. And here is the soup. So if you want to see the full recipe of this soup, so make sure you subscribe and turn on the notification bell, so you know when I upload this soup. You're gonna love it. Okay, all right guys, thanks for watching, and I hope you guys enjoyed this cooking or this smoked fish recipe. And don't forget to subscribe, turn the notification bell on. I think I'm kind of repeating myself right now, so I have to go. Have a wonderful day. Bye bye. See you guys next time.
1, 2,